Every Friday, I publish a Friday's question. The idea is to share an idea, but also to provoke a little bit of thought, because I think the better we reflect, the better we tend to perform. So I'm about to run a Friday's question. I hope you enjoy it and find it thought-provoking. But also, I've developed a strategic reflection workbook to help you. So the workbook it's a free resource. It's available via the link in the description. So download it there. And I'll run the Friday's question now. Think about our own knowledge and skills, the knowledge of our own organisation, the knowledge of the sector in which it operates, how global trends and events affect it. We personally need to feel comfortable on numbers, and clearly, we're going to have pretty sound functional and people skills. So I think we need those elements in place. Focus our energies and attentions on commerciality and helping our people deliver ROI, training them to deliver a return or risk management information, what the organisation requires. That's our best vehicle for delivering ROI. Do we stretch ourselves enough? Well, I hope you enjoyed that and found it thought-provoking. Please give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to download your strategic reflection workbook, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.